Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Mollie Connect for Platforms. Review my usage experience. Mollie Connect for Platforms. Review my usage experience offers a platform for businesses to integrate Mollie's payment gateway into their own applications or websites. It's aimed at developers and businesses looking to streamline their payment processing. Key features include customizable payment flows, various payment methods, and robust API documentation. Their website provides details on specific integrations and supported languages. Their website highlights ease of integration, transparent pricing with no hidden fees, and a focus on security. They emphasize a flexible API allowing for custom solutions. Mollie boasts a wide range of supported payment methods and claims reliable performance. Availability is global, and their website offers detailed information on supported countries. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Mollie Connect for Platforms. Review my usage experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well documented, with clear instructions and helpful examples. I integrated it into my existing e-commerce platform within a couple of hours. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard is clean and easy to understand, showing key metrics like transaction volume and revenue. I particularly like the ability to customize the checkout process to match my branding. The performance has been excellent, transactions process quickly and reliably, and I haven't experienced any downtime. I had a quick question about a specific API endpoint and their support responded within a day via email, providing a concise and helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the flexibility of the API, allowing me to tailor the payment experience perfectly to my needs. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve with the more advanced features, but their documentation proved to be quite helpful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Mollie Connect for Platforms. It's a powerful and reliable solution that has significantly improved my payment processing efficiency. That's my overview of Mollie Connect for Platforms. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.